Today I'm gonna be doing D sounds. This week we are focused on or, or, ah, pot. We have been reading some words such as paw, torn, sword, dawn, scornfully, flop, peacefully, sword, jaws, gashing, gawning, feasting, jeering. We also have been reading and writing the tricky words. And knee, many, C-O-U-D, code, on, one, or, were, other, true, was, called, to, there, they, said. We have been practicing writing the sentence. Inside we saw a pile of bones and a golden hair on the floor. Do you think it's strange that the lion held out his paw? No, it isn't strange. So that's the end of my video, phonics video, and bye!